Alrighty guys, so starting off we're going to be doing some lateral and forward swings. These are definitely going to help with those hip flexors, those quads, hamstrings, glutes, all that good stuff. And we're not going to be talking too much. I'm just going to kind of be showing you all everything, and just make sure you read the side captions. It's going to definitely tell you what muscles we'll be activating before we get into this workout. And oh yeah, don't be afraid, have a little fun, get those limbs moving, okay? This is what you're supposed to do before you work out. For the resistant band exercises, I just want you to know that you can do any type of booty exercises with this. You don't have to do these exact same one. Just make sure you're really activating those glutes, because activating your glutes is really going to help you when it comes to running, because our glutes get a little lazy sometimes and it just makes our legs work. But no, we want to work the booty and our legs at the same time when we're running on this treadmill. Okay, so at this point you should be really hot. At least I am normally. When I go to the gym, I like to warm up with all my gear on and then take everything off. We're going to be starting off on an incline at 3. Make sure you stay here the whole time. No matter what your MPH is, make sure you stay there. We're going to obviously warm up a little bit more for 2 minutes, and then we're going to just start off slow and work our way up. And that is how we will be doing our exercises on our treadmill. So just, stay a little bit and enjoy your workout. Another side note is when you're hopping on to run, make sure you use the rails, and when you're hopping off, also make sure you use the rails. It's just for safety precautions, especially when we start to go up higher in our MPH. Okay. For your last set, I want you to go super duper hard. Like, try to go as high as you can and then sprint as for as long as possible. No matter what, don't let anybody get in your way of your goals. Thank you all for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this workout, and I hope that you do incorporate this into your weekly regimen. At least twice a week you should be giving yourself a really good cardio session.